We will rise up like giants, stand tall. Mountains will move and tides will follow. Change is gonna come. Look straight ahead, my face towards the sun. We will get through and we'll overcome. All change is gonna come. Change is gonna come.
There's definitely a change here in the industry to help get our girls into the workforce. And what started out as me thinking I could get 10 or 12 girls to this conference, I got over 200 girls to that conference. It was no longer about a conference or, you know, anything like that, a trip, a field trip. It's about creating opportunity for our girls to be in Galveston and to say, wow, I want to come back here one day. I want to travel. I want to go visit places like this. What kind of job can I get that will afford me those opportunities?